Hello, my dear viewers, and today we're going to have a look at a unit in the Fairways Residency. This is a continuation of the previous video. Unit is located in a different building of this residency. Now we're going to look at the differences between those two units. Now, this unit has less surface area, but the layout is the same. And also the price is slightly lower because there's no terrace here, it's just one floor. This is the more budget-friendly option. However, this is a still high-quality option. And the price is $245,000 US dollars. The other one was $290,000. Now let's go have a look at the unit, shall we? Here's the inside. The layout outside right here is slightly different. The inside is the same, barring the exception that the furniture is different and the decor. The owner is planning to doing a little renovation here, paint over everything right here, and everything will be just fine. So having a look at the kitchen, you can see that it is more modern. I really like it, and I also see that they just renovated the kitchen itself. All the countertops, all the storage areas, the windows, they redid everything here. Also, the refrigerator is brand new. And here we have access to the little entrance, the little half terrace that we have right in front of the unit. So all this unit will be fully refurnished and redone soon. Nobody's living here right now. Also have a look outside. We have a nice view of the greenery. So also the surrounding area is private. So this is part of the territory, the complex itself, and you have a private road that has access to the beach, so you can take it if you want to go to the beach. Also, Playa Bonita is not far away, about 15-20 minutes if you walk there. And if you go by car, it's about 1-2 mile drive, and you're already there. You're on the beaches of Playa Bonita. Here we have 3 bedrooms. Here is bedroom number 1. Here we have some of the packed stuff that belong to the owners. Don't pay any attention to that. This bedroom has access to that terrace right there. Terrace area itself is actually pretty big. You can have like a little barbecuing zone here. You can sit with your friends and your family. So you can do a lot of things here. So you can see for yourself, you have the chairs, the tables, everything that is necessary. I also must add that this is a very quiet and peaceful residency, guys. And here we are in the bathroom that goes to the first bedroom. Also here we can see that they redid the bathroom, renovated it. They redid all the plumbing here, installed a new shower and all that stuff. Also, what's very important, windows are everywhere to let in the airflow and have ventilation to prevent molding. I can't stress how important that is here. Of course, don't worry, everything here, all this stuff will be painted over. The owner will do all the necessary cosmetic work before the sale. And here we are in bedroom number 2. And also, out of each window, out of all the bedrooms, you have a view of all the greenery and the surrounding territory of this complex and residency. Also, this bedroom has a closet. And of course, the bathroom right here. However, in this case, these 2 bedrooms, besides the first bedroom, the second and the third one, have one toilet for these 2 bedrooms. So each bedroom has its own shower. However, the 2 bedrooms share one toilet. And it is located right here. Here we have a look at it. So this is for the 2 bedrooms right here. Not very big, small, compact. That's a very interesting decision on the developer's part, but all right, now let's have a look at the 3rd bedroom. Of course, you have to understand that you'd have to change all the beds here, maybe get new beds, new mattresses. But the biggest upside of this unit is the location. Not just the place, but the walls and the surface area of this unit. And here we have a look at the full bathroom, the shower and the sink that goes to the 3rd bedroom. So here we have a little balcony area, a little walled-in terrace. This is more of like a clothing drying area, a storage area. Plus, I also have to add that everywhere you have air conditioning and air fans, so it's pretty cool in this unit. And like I said, you are surrounded by greenery everywhere here. So, my dear viewers, this was the unit. And for comparison, the first one was a penthouse. This is a regular apartment unit. The surface area is 1,611 square feet. You don't also have a upper terrace, which is, it's not for everybody. The price is $245,000 US dollars. So I think this is a wonderful opportunity for those of you that are looking for a more budget-friendly option and for more compact housing. And I think one of the biggest upsides is that it doesn't have the extra space with the upper terrace, which a lot of people don't use. You just have this big level area terrace right in front of you. This is just a one-story apartment unit. Anyways, if you found this video helpful and interesting, hit the like button, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you in my next videos. Have a wonderful day.